Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to Math 24 homework walkthrough video. This video will be talking about some hard problem for section 2.3, which is a numerical product of the limit. So here you have like a limit, like f of x to like x. You have a limit of f of x, x approaches 3 is 4. For gx is -2, hx is a 0. This question uses the limit property to do the operations. There's no technique needed, just use the limit properties for basic operation properties. For number 2, this is just like a piecewise function. So this function at x equal to a 0, y is a 0. So just like the dot here. It is -1 if x is smaller than a 0. So on the left, it is negative. We first eliminate this one and this one because it not changing after or before the y-axis, which is x equal to a 0. So it's this one. Evaluating the limit, because it's like a two-side limit here. Two-side limit, if it's equal, then the limit exists. If not equal, the limit does not exist. Use the right left side limit to answer number 2 questions. Number 3, since you're just like a product form, and just use like a multiplication of the limit. Do not worry about if it's like a limit, have like a fractional form is like, it's undefined. For this one, just do limit, then just multiply the limit together. Number 4, this can be factored. So this is called like, this type of limit called like cancellation factors, like they're all polynomials. This can be factored as x minus 5, x minus 4. We cancel -5, then have a limit. This is a conjugate. We conjugate the numerator. For this one, we conjugate the denominator, because if we just compute a limit, the function is undefined. So if it's polynomial, all polynomials factor cancel. If it's a radical, conjugate a radical. If a radical is on the bottom, the denominator conjugated. So whenever there's a radical conjugate, no matter where they are, find the limit. X1 from the left side, so use this function. It is smaller than 1. Left side, negative sign. It means from the left side, so use this left side limit, plug in 1 here. Right side, use this function because it's like larger or equal to 1. If those are equal, then the limit exists. Graph the functions just to pick up like here. Make sure the sign I mentioned in 2.2 videos here, whether it's a solid dot or empty dot. Just depend on there's equal sign or not. It's the same thing for number 9. Just be careful about like a sign here when we make a graph here. The limit exists when the two-side limit are all exist and equal. Either true and false. But here, if we have like 2 times 4 is 6 times 5, so it's a 5 actually. So this is not continuous because it's like 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, and 1. So this should be 1 if it's like equal to 2 here. So this is false. Because continuous, this will be like, this might maybe like a linear function. So because like, because there's no hint on what type of function is f of x is. So if you plug in 2 layer, oh wait, oh never mind, 2 f5 is 4, f5 is 4 is continuous. Oh, it's that thing. Oh, I misinterpreted the question. This is true. Number 10 is true because they plug in 2 here is 5, f5 is 4, 5 is 4. So it is true. I'm sorry that I make the confusion. I misread the question labels here. For number 11, it's a complicated one. You need to conjugate both the numerator and the denominator. So conjugate 2 times. So this is for this one, it's like you cannot factor this one. So this one gonna be true. This one can be factored. So this one is a factor of polynomials. Because if you're plugging the 1 is a 0, numerator is a 0, denominator is also a 0. So this is a 0, 0 limit. This one just, yeah, just not factor 1 is not a 0, and the numerator is a 0, then the whole thing is a 0. This one deserves a special attention. I make this when numerator is available. And for this one here, you have like a 1 here. It is 4 because it's like the squeeze theorem. I will provide more information on this. So far, what we have limit is like if we have a polynomials, factor, cancel. Radical is conjugate. 2 radicals, conjugate twice. If it's still do not exist, then do not exist. Or if it's like no undefined functions, then just put in the value, just do computation, that's it. So 4 type of the limit. Thank you guys for watching. And I will also send like a limit evaluating strategies tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.